Hi everyone, thank you for clicking on this video. In this opportunity, I will show you how I can make $100 profit per day with only $8 initial capital. Yes, it's only $8. It's simple, fast, and anyone can try it. Come on, watch until the end so you don't miss any important steps. To analyze the market, I use a software called TurboTrend. I chose to use the IQ option broker. For the trading duration, I use a 1-minute signal suitable for a fast strategy like this. Here, I made a higher purchase according to the signal given by the TurboTrend software. So, when a buy signal appears, I immediately enter a position according to the signal direction. Okay guys, if you are interested in this software, just check the link in the video description. I have prepared all the complete information there. But remember, I never force anyone to use this tool or any other tool. All decisions are entirely in your hands. Use what you feel is most comfortable and appropriate. Okay, now there are only a few seconds left before my first purchase ends. Let's see together whether the results are as expected. And yes, I did make a profit. Now, let's move on to the next trade. This time, I'll try a different market to see how it goes. I will still bring all the capital I have in every transaction, but remember, this is my personal decision. You don't have to copy it, okay? Adjust it to your own conditions and comfort. I reopen the position according to the signals given by the TurboTrend software. So guys, if we use a 1-minute signal, I suggest that the trading duration does not exceed the signal duration, a maximum of 1 minute to be more effective. Likewise, if we use a signal with a duration of 5 minutes, make sure the trading duration is also a maximum of 5 minutes. Now, I will explain why I choose to use TurboTrend software. The main reason is TurboTrend provides very accurate and fast signals, which helps me determine the direction of the market more easily. With this software, I can monitor market movements in real time and make decisions faster. So it is more efficient and reduces the risk of mistakes. This is proven by the profit I got from this second trade. Now, we move on to the next trade. Let's see if the signals from TurboTrend are still consistently giving good results. Don't forget, if you are interested in trying this TurboTrend software, please check the video description and make sure you understand how it works before using it. Okay guys, I just made a lower purchase following the signal that indicated the price might go down. What makes TurboTrend so special is that behind its simple appearance, there are actually 26 indicators working at once, each with different settings. This combination makes the signals generated much more accurate and reliable in various market conditions. In addition, this tool can also be used on all binary option brokers, so you don't need to worry about compatibility, just adjust it to the platform you are using. Okay, now there are only a few seconds left before this trade ends. Let's see how it turns out. And yes, I made a profit again. Great result, and it proves that the signals are consistent. Now, let's move on to the next trade. This is my last trade of the session today. Let's see if the closing also yields positive results. If a neutral signal like this appears, we should use a 5-minute signal, or we can also look for another market with a clearer direction. In this case, I decided to switch to a 5-minute signal. I made a purchase with a trading duration of about 4 minutes plus a few seconds. Why did I choose this duration? As I said before, if we use a 1-minute or 5-minute signal duration, make sure the trade duration does not exceed the signal duration. Okay, now let's see the results. Okay, guys, that was my trading session today. As you can see, now my balance has reached $100 from an initial capital of only $8. This shows that with the right strategy and the right tools, you can get maximum results. Hopefully, it can give you some useful insights and tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and activate notifications so you don't miss the next videos.